guys, okay, so let's talk about bathroom trash bags. And we're gonna compare this one to that one and try to find out actually which one is better for you. Product number one is actually gonna be Glad Clorox, and these are lemon scent. I'm gonna go ahead and actually open them here. I do like the fact that they come in a nice little box. They are perforated for you to be able to go ahead and tear off to grab your trash bag. And as you can see, these are 4-gallon, and they do have a drawstring. Now, they're also very decorative, so that when you put them on the inside of your trash can, you'll have this nice little decoration on the outside. They're very light scenting. They're not overpowering. It's not like you have a bunch of kitchen soap and you can smell that lemony scent on them. So very nice. Okay, product number two is actually going to be this Hero Scent Strike. These are lemon, and they do have like an odor neutralizer. So let me go ahead and open these up here so that you can see what these look like. Okay, number one, I don't like the fact that I have to tear this open. And I really wish there was an easy way for you to be able to open these. We're going to tear this off. Okay, so they do not have like a container or anything for them not to get unrolled or unraveled in your drawer. These are tie. So again, pull it out, 4-gallon, and it is perforated. If you have something for this to be able to sit in, I don't know, some other box or something, that would be great. These are, again, super light in scent. These are actually a little bit stronger than these. And I think if you had these in your bathroom, they would actually like give you more scent in your bathroom. And I think that would actually be better. I do not like the fact that I have to find where these are, but that's just me. That's not a deal breaker. And these are thinner, much thinner than this Glad brand. I can feel that these are thinner, but the stripes themselves are not super crazy. I expected them to be very bright, but after unfolding it, you can tell that it's actually not that bright. So either way, I think if you're using light trash, you don't fill your trash can in your bathroom full of a whole bunch of products, this would be great. If you have quite a few products that you're needing to fill in your trash can in the bathroom, then this would work as well. This would work actually better because it's a little bit thicker. Either way, maybe both of them work for you. I don't know. Maybe none of them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe this will help you to decide as to which one is better for you. Thanks guys for watching. Y'all have a great day.